In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove option to show. When it does, click on it. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. If you wish to, you can always pinch your device's screen instead. Then hold your search bar and drag it to remove icon at the top. Then let go. Come on. When you finished, click on the check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!